Want to stand out in a competitive job market? Join us for the next step in your life. At Upskilling for Professional Success, we help you build the stairs to the next level in your life. But before you climb, ask yourself, where do you want to go next? What's the version of you you're trying to become? Over 10 days, you'll work closely with faculty from across IE, exploring organizational behavior, career development, and communication to gain the core skills that move careers forward. We'll make sure your stairs lead to the right place, starting with goal setting, resilience, and navigating high-pressure interviews. Along the way, you'll challenge yourself with questions like, what truly motivates me? How do I stay steady when things get tough? How do I communicate who I am in a way that stands out? You'll also develop your personal brand, both online and offline, so you can present yourself with clarity and confidence. And on top of that, you'll strengthen your persuasion, team building, and communication skills so that once you reach the top, you will have what you need to succeed there. No matter where you begin or how confident you feel today, by the end of this journey, you'll be ready for the next step. I'm looking forward to seeing you next summer at IE when we help you level up with upskilling for professional success.